People, the time has come. It's been quite literally a few weeks, but it's time to open this thing.
Hey, how you doing, everyone? Welcome. You guys are being weird.
Yes, it's time to open the Nintendo Switch OLED. By the way, let's get this out of the way. Shout out to Nintendo for providing this product. Yes, thank you, Nintendo, for providing this product. And with that, I've been wanting to open this thing for like a month. How long ago did it come out? I don't know, but shout out to Nintendo for sending it. Shout out to them for always supporting your boy. And with that, let's open it up. Let's see what we got. Let's show you the box. I'm sure some of y'all have this. Some of y'all may have it. Some of y'all may not. Nintendo Switch OLED. It's got like white Joycons and a white charging dock, which is pretty cool. These are the different sides of the box. All right, I'm gonna open it up. Ooh, all right. I took a little 6-day hiatus from uploading. Unfortunately, I just got a little busy with life. I had some auditions. I had some stand-up comedy shows. So I'm here now. I'm here. But I am going out of town this week because there's a wedding that I have to be a part of. But don't worry about that. I'll be back. And also, my internet works for those who watch me on Twitch. So we'll be live soon. All right? Hopefully that matters to you all. All right, cool. So first thing I pulled out the box is the Switch itself, I guess. It's just, it's slightly different, right? It's like the bezels are slightly different, I believe. There's the Switch. It's not on. I also have the Joycons, you know, beautiful white Joycons. All right, we're gonna take them out of their packaging. But how you been? This is gonna be like a nice little like chop it up talk with JD type of video. You know, it's like a one take drizzake. Don't tell me to breathe, dog. Sorry, I'm thinking about the Drake meme. Oh wow, this looks solid. Okay, don't drop it. So that, okay, it's reflecting really hard, but this is, it actually looks like a mirror. It looks like a mirror. It's so ridiculous. This is the new Nintendo Switch. Like, this is it. And also the back panel, I didn't realize that. The back panel is like a full-on, oh, wow. I didn't know this had all this. What the heck? You got a whole breakdown flap that you can use to like lay it down on your desk and give it a very wide stance. Where's my other one for comparison? Hold on. Okay, so this one, you only got the back with the smudges, and you have like a little, just like a little flap that pulls, and then next thing you know, that's all you got right there. Sorry for the color that's being weird, the exposure on my camera. That's very interesting. Hold on, let me put the Joy-Cons on it. Let's see what it looks like. Okay. We got one. I like the white Joy-Cons. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. I'm a Joy-Con boy. Shout out to Etika, rest in peace. But in the sense that I like collecting them. I like collecting all the different colors, the official ones. I know you can get, I think, custom ones made, but I don't think Nintendo supports that because that is not a Nintendo product. So with that being said, all right, let's look at this thing. It feels wider. Oh, whoa, the bezel is way smaller on, is this wider? Yo, this is kind of nice. I've had this thing sitting in my office for like almost a month now. Shout out to Nintendo though. Yo, whoa, that thing looks crazy. Is it bigger? Maybe a little bit. It's not that much bigger, right? Huh. That screen is crazy though. You see that screen real estate compared to the other one? Like this one has like this big old black bezel around it. This has like a tiny one. Let's see if we can turn it on and fingers crossed it has some battery. Oh, okay, it's on. Nice. I can see that the top looks a little bit different too. How am I already getting dust on it? Gee, what? Come on, bro. Okay, hold on one second. Yo, that's a beast. It looks so much bigger side by side. The screen real estate is crazy. I can't no, it is bigger. Yeah. Yeah, the dock itself or the machine itself is definitely bigger. I'm first time opening this thing and I'm just like in awe. Shout out to Nintendo. All right, so I think you can tell it's like definitely reasonably bigger than the other one. It's close in comparison, but a little bit more like you definitely got so much more screen real estate. And now you got white Joy-Cons and some other stuff. I need to transfer everything over from this one to this one. And it's heavier. It's made with more metals than plastics. I wasn't aware of that. All right, this unboxing is just getting into like a review. That's pretty fire, yo. I don't really want to set you up right now, if I'm being honest. Dang, and you know what? The screen looks crispy. Okay, crispy screen, I see you. I'm just setting it up now. JD, finish the unboxing, you goofy goober. Hold on one second. I'm keeping all this in, by the way. All right, here we go. I'm just adding my internet. All right, cool. Connecting to the internet. All right, we're gonna put this to the side. Oh, I hit it real quick. All right, so that was that part of the box. And I kind of showed you the best part already, but we're still gonna do the unboxing like the unboxing need to be done, young chillins. All right, with that being said, we got an HDMI cable. You know how this works. You plug the H to the D to the M to the I. All right, cool. On top of that, got the power brick. I'm not gonna take these things out of the package because I already have it all set up. Or maybe I will. I don't know. Maybe it's a little different. Oh, you got a new puppy dog pad. Even though it's the same thing. You know. Shout out to Nintendo. All right. You got the bumpers. Do any of you play with the bumpers or do you just hold? Do you what's the word? Do you just freehand it? Do you freehand it with the bumpers or do you actually keep them on your Joy-Cons when you use this? I am more of a freehand bumper type of person. But I will say that they work for their respective purposes, which is like, you not throwing them across the room because it has the wrist straps from like the Wii U, or no, excuse me, Nintendo Wii. Man, Nintendo Wii, remember that? It's the Wii, yahoo! All right, and last but not least, which should have probably came first, is the dock. Let's see what this looks like. Okay. Oh, this is clean. This is super clean. I did not know this was gonna be this clean. This is very well done. I like it. I like the architecture. I like the way that it looks. It looks very clean. You see it's got the USB ports over here. You slide the dock on top. I'm gonna do that in a second. And also, I think, have a built-in Ethernet port finally. Oh, let me not break it. How do I? Oh! It's not broken. All right, so you can see what's inside. I think. Okay, there we go. Can we get there we go. Get the brightness, bring the brightness down. Never mind. So the AC adapter goes in, we got the HDMI, and finally we have LAN in the bottom corner. That's great. All right, so you don't have to get an adapter. Dust is crazy. I didn't know the concept of dust is how this works. It's just all over the place. All right, we're about to wrap this video up because it's pretty much over, but let's try to dock it and see what it looks like. Don't break it, JD. This is definitely heavier though. I didn't know it was gonna be this heavy. It like has some, weight to it. Don't say the wrong thing now. Nintendo provided this product, boy. Don't you ever say the wrong thing. It wants me to connect to the TV and slide these out. No, let's just turn it off. And how did I smudge it? I didn't even touch the thing. Okay, I'm trying to like, there it is. Oh my gosh. Wait, is it, I don't know if I put it in properly. What the heck? Oh no, it's in. Oh no, it's good. Okay. It wobbles a bit. It wobbles, and it shake it. Drop it. Y'all are not old enough to remember that one. All right. Just rubbing it down a bit. Sorry if my belly was out. All right. There it is, kids. The Nintendo Switch OLED. Yahoo! I like it. It looks really well crafted, manufactured, made, and put together. And again, thank you to Nintendo for providing this product for free. Free product, hashtag, you know what it is. For those that don't know, I make content about video games, and companies send me free things. So thank you, Nintendo. Again, I do appreciate that. Hold on, throw the CTA up. Never forget. Never forget. All right, that's it. This has been an unboxing. I hope you enjoy it. I'm going to upload this ASAP because I haven't posted anything in a while. Thank you for this very cool product. And I will see you all on the next video. All right. That thing is cool. It's very clean looking, like the white on white with the black trim. I love it. It looks like a stormtrooper. It looks like a stormtrooper. What do you think? Let me know down in the comments down below on whatever platform this is uploaded to, if you have one of these, or if you want one of these, or if you already got one of these. And if you are looking forward to playing one. I want to play Metroid, the new Metroid game on this. That'd be really good. All right, let me put it down before I break it. All right, kids. Thank you so much. With that being said, let's wrap this video up, shall we? 3, 2, 1, outro. All right, I'll see you on the next one. Why is it so loud? Okay, I brought it down. Thank you. I'll see you next time. I appreciate you. Video's over there. See you next time. Like, share, links, description below. Subscribe.